Today, we will talk about finding our guidance in ugly and weak markets. Nowadays, trading is not easy. However, with the right tools and strategies, we can survive the markets. If you're ready, let's do this. I will admit that we are going through a really tough time. Nothing gives me that joy to trade any kind of assets. Markets are mostly crashing all around the world with all the political tensions between countries. We do not have much choice but to crash the assets with the markets. Let's take a look at this top loser, the Saga coin. From the weekly perspective, Saga did not have much to offer us. Since all the markets are crashing, I only try to short the weak assets. This previous week is a great bias for me at the moment from the weekly perspective. From the daily perspective, the only thing I could have focused on was this equal loss, which screams to be taken out. Remember this, when you are looking for any kind of bias, you have two tools. Liquidity and imbalance are your first guidance to read the bias. From the momentum layout, what I have noticed is this: balanced price range with both 30-minute and 1-hour charts. As a side note, balanced price ranges are much more powerful than regular imbalances. However, I have a problem with this asset. Look at these candlesticks. This asset is a very choppy one, and it does not have a very clear trend. I would normally avoid trading this asset because it can chop you a lot. Nonetheless, it can give you a quick grab, get in and out style trading. Let's take a look at these 30-minute balanced price ranges and check for a low time frame entry. Hopefully, we had a more clearer price action in the 3-minute time frame. After high time frame imbalance taps, a micro price switch happens here. How did I understand this? Notice the 3-minute imbalance fails here, and the momentum imbalance appears. A nice micro price switch. This is how to enter the crash strategy, which is the exact opposite of the rally strategy. There's no difference at all. Just flip the charts. Now, this trade had a 6% crash. With 20x leverage, you could have gotten around 120% gain. Really nice, right? However, you shall never do this. Do not let your greed fog your mind. Take your profits with 2, 3, or 4% at most and move on. Markets are very cruel and very tough to trade nowadays. It is crashing, yes, but do not trust any movement. Get in and out, get in and out. Keep repeating the routine. Hopefully this was an educational video for you. Have a nice weekend, friends. See you next time.